Globally, only 20% of employees in large organizations are working on their strength. Friends, this data has come from Gallup research by interviewing 1.7 million employees in 63 countries. If you see, most employees are not focusing on their strength and they may be focusing on their weaknesses. So, what is strength and how can we develop a strength? If you see, strength is all about consistent performance in particular activity. For example, consistent selling or poetry by an artist or consistent decision making. All these are the examples of strength. And if you see, strength has 4 elements. First, talent, attitude, skill and knowledge. And if you want to develop your strength, you have to develop these 4 elements. First, talent. Talent is about our natural aptitude. It is about our natural thought pattern. And this part of strength is natural and consistent. We cannot change it because it is related to our brain and our strongest connection of neurons. Second, attitude. Attitude is all about our perspective, the way we see the things, the way we experience the world, and it is also about our views about the world. For example, some people have positive attitude, some people have negative attitude. Some people are optimistic, some people are pessimistic, some people are problem oriented, some people are solution oriented. So all this comes under this attitude category. Third, skill. Skill is about learning particular activity or the parts which has different steps in that activity. That is the skill. For example, public speaking, acting, dancing. It has different steps which we can learn and which we can develop our skill. Fourth, knowledge. Friends, knowledge has 2 parts. First comes from data, facts, figure, research, experiments, books. All these are the sources of gaining knowledge. And second comes from our experience. The things which we learn through the experience. That is also part of our knowledge. And if you want to develop your strength, you have to focus on these 4 elements. Because most people, what they are doing, they are just focusing on developing skill and knowledge. It means they are just focusing on 50% part of their personality. What about the other 50%? That is talent and attitude. So if you want to develop a real strength, you have to develop all these 4 parts. Then and then your real strength will be developed and you will excel in your career. So friends, if you have to develop your real strength, focus should be on developing your talent, your attitude, your skill and your knowledge. So there are different ways to improve these 4 elements which I will share in my next videos. So thank you for watching these videos. On my Facebook, I have shared the link of my YouTube channel. You can subscribe it and you can share the video with your friends. Thank you for watching.